So this is the next stage of my shade garden nook. I went and got a whole bunch of dirt so that I could fill in this area here, because as you see, the ground here goes quite low. I'm just gonna open up all these bags, spread it all around. I need to clean this up first and get this looking level. There are 30 bags here. I don't know exactly how many I need, but we're gonna start with 30 and just start dumping. I needed to go back to the store and I got 20 more bags. That's 50 bags in all. Okay, so how about a little more over here? Ugh. I'm still not sure where I'm supposed to put my tub. Placing the tub there. And yeah, what if I move the tub? This is crazy. The dirt is so soft. I should probably ask my husband to come give me a hand. But nah, I always do things on my own. I can do it. I know I can. Okay, of course it's crooked. Of course it's crooked. Look, one of the feet is just hanging there in midair. Ooh, all right. So this is the idea. I think I'll do it this way. So I know it looks like nothing, but what if I center this? It won't be up against the wall. I want to add stone and rock that's going to climb up, and probably some flat stone that might come up a little bit over here like this. The faucet that came with this, I don't know, I like it, it's nice, but maybe I want to get an older faucet, like a rustier faucet or something. I want to bring that faucet up and that it's the water's coming out of the faucet, but really up high, that the faucet would be up there somewhere, but there would be plants and whatever. You could see the faucet through the plants. The water would fall on the stone, and then therefore it would all trickle into the bath. I'm gonna have bamboo in there, and I want to do something very, you know, like pond-like. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, and then in the bottom here, I'm gonna fill this with some river rock or something like that. I hope you're following. Well, yeah, this needs to be level. I have to do something, put something underneath that so that it can stay level. And then above that, of course, we'll have shrubs or whatever, and I do want to get decor to go on the wall here with some maybe hanging baskets, or I don't know. I'm thinking this is how it's going to be. So that table will be here, and I'm going to have cushions on it, and I'm going to sand that and tint it the same color as the arbor. Oof, that was a mouthful. I hope those legs are going to stand. Okay, so I hauled 50 bags of this. And I got them on special. They were $1.75 for 25 liter. By the way, just quick, for those who saw, my finger is doing better. You can see, a fork went right through my finger, all the way to the other side of my nail. Look at that. And there's still inflammation. I ended up at the hospital. It was this whole thing. Guys, I just went to get the fork in the drawer, and when I went to pull it out with my hip, I closed too quick and it just, went right through my finger. So I had to go to the hospital with a fork in my finger. And everyone was kind of looking at me oddly. Where's my hoe? Oh. Will I ever learn? Jace, where's my hoe? Where'd my hoe go? JC, help me find my hoe. There you are. You're with the rest of the mess. And down to the last 3 bags. I mean, seriously, there's nothing really straight here. We're on swampland here. They just built, back in the 70s, they built this house. And it's all swampy. Everything kind of moves around. It's bumpy. So that's why I kind of went with this type of design. I'm not looking for perfect at all. I'm just looking for natural and beauty and work with what I've got, right? Look at the mess. I got my socks from this morning that are there. This morning's cup of coffee. I was taking measurements. Oh, I'm tired. So that will be it for today. I just want to explain something here to you. There will be, see where these boards are? Those are about 6 feet. And there's going to be a white picket fence from there to there, there to there, and this will be the entrance. And I'm going to be planting this little one here, the smoke bush. I think that's what they call it. Right? Let me know in the comments if it's commonly called a smoke bush. I think it is. I just love this. So this one's going to be in the corner here. All right, so let's move on to the next day. Woo! Perfect. Où est de l'autre côté? Je ne sais pas, je vais aller voir. Well, I've been working a bit since the last video. Here is where I'm at in my shade garden Nook. So I leveled everything out pretty much. I just need to level that over here. So you see there's like a bump. I gotta fix that. I leveled the bath. Now I started backfilling here because this is where I want to plant some flowers, of course, behind. So what I've been doing is just bringing the dirt back here. So this is what it's looking like. I'll back it up, hang on. From here, we got the fence, we got the tub. I want to do the plants. I've seen old window frames, with the squares in it, the old style. I'm thinking of putting some up there, maybe. I do want to put maybe shelving, lights, and or candles, but safe, in a glass container. Just when I sit here. So now we're cutting the fences to make them fit. Yeah, I'll come hold it. So my husband and I went and got some fences that I'm going to be putting around in the garden and in my shade area where that bath is. So what I'm doing now is my husband helped me. He cut the posts and he created these little spikes here so that I can drive these into the ground a lot easier. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm just going to drill 1, 2, 3. I'm going to drill into and put these screws in so that I can drive the fence into the ground easily. So here we go. Oh, it cracked. It cracked. So what am I doing here? I'm going to take it off. Reverse. There you go, sorry about that. So if I turn it the other way, is this still gonna crack, you think, or should I get another one? I'll get another one. I think we did extra ones, hang on. Actually, I didn't think these would crack because they're supposed to be fresh, right? I didn't think they were dried. Okay, so fingers crossed, guys. I should have probably drilled holes first so that there's no cracking. Come on, no, Jace, get out of the way. No, I'm still in reverse. There you go. I was in reverse. So I'm gonna put 4 actually. And one on top of the other. And stop wobbling and don't crack, please. Don't crack, don't crack. There's a slight crack there. And I'll put one on top of the other like this. That. And straight down. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, and then I'm gonna go put them where they belong, in the shade garden. You know what else we did today? We got all of that. Free stone. Marketplace. Thanks to Marketplace. A whole bunch of stone for my projects. So this one's in. I might drive it in a little lower, I'm not sure, but the dirt's gonna come up higher over here. So, I don't know. I'm leaving it in like this for now. Now I gotta get this one in. Anyway, you're gonna have to lift it though. This way. Lift it and pull it towards the house. Not, just a little. Like this is fine, because we need a we need a little movement. And now it needs to go in straight though. Is it straight? Are you using the level?
I was kind of.
Oh, maybe you. Can I go? So this one's gonna look, this one has got to go down a lot deeper because it has to.
Okay, wait, attends. Okay.
Je sais pas qu'est-ce que ça. Faudrait venir visser dans ça, comme ça, comme ça. Il est fendu jusque dans le milieu.
Wood glue.
All the way down. Down, down. Watch out. Now I don't know how deep I how far I gotta go. Okay, this is gonna move a lot anyway. I have a feeling it's gonna move a lot. Yeah, so hang on, I'll show you guys. Okay, so fence is in. Of course, here we need to raise this. I'm happy we didn't go in deeper there. Yeah, so there's gonna be flowers up here. We need to level all of this out, bring this up a bit, and level the inside also over here. We need to take some of this part out and push it over there to level it out. Fill this with dirt, more dirt here. Okay, well, I don't know, it looks a little high on that end. Maybe it's a little higher. Anyway, there will be adjustments made for sure.
Can't get your tongue when we're talking